adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Watch her, bro. Like, fuck you. No fucking way, sheep. You
I'm back. Buddy, no. You, buddy.
no fucking way. You get in there.
Fuck you, Jimmy. Wait, why are you not shooting? Friends? Wait, you guys want to be friends? Is this allowed? Let's go, boys! Get him! Wait, that's my teammate, No, that's not fair, that's not... you know what? Wait a minute. Get him! Get him, boys! Get him! I'm sorry! I'm so sorry!
Alright guys, so I just got home right now from picking up my little niece and I hit a pole. I called my husband, I told him that he needs to come home, so he's on his way home right now, so wish me luck, y'all. And he's here, guys. So, you know how you said you love me? Yes, come with me.
Did you wreck your car?
I backed into a pole.
Shut it off.
The prequels, dude, are really shit except for Revenge of the Sith. I'm getting... and I'm getting shot. Oh, I'm getting shot from everywhere. I'm getting shot from everywhere! Dude, it was all cool Are you dead?
There was a guy at the bottom of the episode.
It all fell to shit so fast.
What are you doing?
Just letting off some steam. Ja, bismillah. Senin videon bizim götümüzü çekiyor.
Does the good girl want a shower? Helen, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. You're so spiky.
Is everybody here? Awesome. Hey guys, my name is Goat. I'm going to be your guide out there on the river today. Now these are class 3 rapids, but they've been riding a lot more like class 6, even a class 7 this summer. When I say go, paddle, paddle, go, I need you to paddle, paddle, paddle hard as you can over on that right hand side like your life depends on it, because it will. When I say paddle, go, 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 I need you to paddle, paddle, paddle hard as you can on the left. In the likely event one of you does get ejected from the raft today, you're on your own. I want you to think about your body as a raft. Your arms and legs, those are now the paddles, and your head, that's the passenger you're trying to protect. In the event that passenger does get ejected from the raft, at that point what I am describing is decapitation. Now you guys are welcome to drink, smoke, whatever on the river today. Just make sure you share with Goat.
Why would you do that? We spent 45 minutes building that.
Tracy's dead, has got me down bad. Tracy's dead, has got me down bad. Stacy, can I come over in my car? We can change the oil and hang out in the garage. Did your dad get back from the hardware store? Is he there, or is he reading about the Civil War? And I know that you think it's just a fantasy, but since your mom came out, your dad could use a guy like me. Stacey